Still drowning in bills? If you click away, you will lose the exact psychological framework needed to survive the brutal 2026 economy, and you will stay trapped in the suffocating financial rat race forever. This video is your uncompromising step-by-step guide to mastering the mental game of money and building true financial abundance. Meet Sam. He's working 60 hours a week, physically exhausted by skyrocketing inflation and actively ghosting his bank account. Today, we will forge his and your relentless wealth mindset. Whether you're completely burnt out in a corporate 9-to-5, paralyzed by the fear of AI wealth displacement, or losing sleep stressing over inconsistent freelance gigs, the psychological pain is the same. Sam asks the ultimate question: how do I actually get rich? The answer isn't just working more hours or grinding yourself to the bone. According to groundbreaking research by the American Psychological Association, 85% of your money problems have absolutely nothing to do with the size of your paycheck. They are purely emotional. They reflect your internal wealth mindset. Sam desperately needs a money mindset guide. What exactly is a wealth mindset? It is the deep, subconscious psychological framework that naturally attracts, manages, and retains money without panic. But here is the terrifying part. According to a comprehensive study from Cambridge University, our core money habits, our financial fears, and our wealth mindset are fundamentally hardwired by age 7. Sam was infected with a toxic poverty script early on by hearing phrases like "money doesn't grow on trees." He isn't inherently broken, and neither are you. He is just poorly programmed. He lacks a wealth mindset. But just as Sam begins to actively reprogram his brain, absolute disaster strikes. His automated finance app is completely compromised in a massive data breach. His newly built emergency savings account violently crashes to zero, and a crushing, aggressive $2,000 phantom overdraft fee flashes in red on his cracked screen. Will this catastrophic hack completely break him, forcing him back into the poverty wheel forever? In a flash of clarity, Sam realizes the terrifying truth. The brutal 2026 economy isn't breaking him. His own subconscious panic is. This new financial crisis isn't just a math problem. It's a test of his deeply rooted childhood scarcity trauma. How do you practically fix a money mindset before inflation eats you alive? You stop obsessing over restrictive budgeting, and you start radically reprogramming your brain. You start actively choosing a wealth mindset over a poverty mindset. Stranded and fiercely determined, Sam begins his Millionaire mindset tutorial. To build a wealth mindset, he must first utterly destroy a toxic, pervasive societal lie specifically designed to keep him broke. As renowned financial author Morgan Housel profoundly states, wealth is not a matter of intelligence, it's a matter of behavior. Let's bust a massive, debilitating myth right now. Society constantly tells you that building wealth is just pure luck, a massive inheritance, or sheer corporate corruption. The actual reality? Over 80% of modern millionaires are entirely self-made. If you subconsciously believe rich people are inherently evil, your brain will literally sabotage your own success to keep you feeling morally good. Can anyone actually learn a wealth mindset from scratch? Yes, but a wealth mindset requires brutally evicting your victim mentality. It thrives entirely on extreme personal accountability and demands immediate, unyielding action. Sam immediately tackles his financial pain points. 1. He uses an automated debt snowball app to systematically crush his high-interest credit cards. 2. He installs a zero-based budgeting app, so directing his money feels like active empowerment. 3. He sets up a seamless micro-investing app to instantly fix his lack of savings. 4. He uses a targeted daily affirmation app to kill his imposter syndrome. To maintain momentum, Sam implements a non-negotiable 30-minute daily reading habit, absorbing financial literacy. He also installs a browser cart blocker extension to strictly enforce the 24-hour rule against emotional doom spending. Looking at his phone, Sam realizes his historically broke friends are entirely toxic, constantly complaining about the unfair economy.
To solidify his wealth mindset, he absolutely must distance himself from their infectious poverty scripts. Sam successfully saves his first $1,000, but the universe always tests your resolve. A sudden, terrifying medical emergency threatens to completely wipe out everything he just painstakingly built. The old Sam would have immediately spiraled into a catastrophic doom-spending panic, maxing out another credit card. Instead, he takes a slow, deep breath, centering himself. Why is an abundance mindset so critical for retaining wealth? Because blind panic actively costs you money. He realizes his zero-based budgeting app isn't restricting his lifestyle, it is actively telling his money exactly where to go. That immense feeling of control is the absolute core of a wealth mindset. Sam leans completely into his tools. Instead of draining his emergency fund, he utilizes a cutting-edge medical negotiation app and calmly sets up an interest-free payment plan. He survived the crisis without accumulating toxic debt. How do you change your money mindset fast? It's exactly this: possessing the discipline to pause between the terrifying stimulus and your emotional response. Sam looks at the terrifying news headlines. AI and advanced automation are aggressively threatening to wipe out his specific industry, but for the first time, he isn't scared. A wealth mindset constantly adapts to market changes, eagerly learns new AI skills, and strategically pivots, while a poverty mindset simply sits back and complains about the robots taking over. Let's precisely summarize exactly how you can permanently escape the modern rat race and lock in your unshakable wealth mindset today. 1. Deeply acknowledge that 85% of your financial issues are purely emotional. 2. Brutally destroy the myth that wealth is just luck or inheritance. 3. Block emotional doom spending with the strict 24-hour cart rule. 4th, fully automate your emergency savings and debt snowball. 5th, read 30 minutes daily to completely reprogram your childhood scarcity trauma. A wealth mindset is built on these daily actions. Sam conclusively proved that actively learning how to reprogram your brain for wealth is the ultimate cheat code to surviving and thriving in the 2026 economy. He permanently broke his family's generational curses and built an absolutely unbreakable wealth mindset. You do not have to be trapped in the suffocating hamster wheel forever. The cage door is wide open. You just need the wealth mindset to finally walk out. If you are genuinely ready to rewrite your toxic money script, you need to take massive action right now. Hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Drop the word abundance in the comments right now and share this exact video with one specific friend who desperately needs to escape the rat race. Be sure to check the link in the description below.